It is smoking. It is smoking very bad. Now we must strip the engine. We must strip the engine to get inside it. But then first of all, there are components we must remove first before we pull out the engine from the car. After pulling it out and taking it apart, we send the cylinder heads for engineering. Then we reassemble the cylinder head. We reassemble the cylinder heads with the block. But firstly, we put in the piston rings, main bearings and big end bearings before we install the cylinder heads. But then there is a procedure to tighten the cylinder heads, and there is a top specifications which we use to make sure that the bolts are evenly tight. After finishing to tighten the cylinder heads, we then put the hydraulic lifters. Put the hydraulic lifters. Make sure everything is in place, because there is no room for mistake. In engineering, there is no room for a mistake.
No, that's enough.
A mistake will be very costly.
For the Mercedes-Benz ML 350. So on the balancer shaft, we set it like this, and on the camshaft, you make sure when you are putting the camshaft sprocket, you make sure that this notch is on top, because there is 4 marks on the camshaft which align. So if we turn around this camshaft, this mark here can align with this one, but the timing will be out. So make sure this mark is always on top, same as this side. Make sure the mark is on top, and you align the teeth. You align the teeth at the back. Then on the crankshaft, you make sure it's on a top dead center. The bank one, this is the bank one cylinder head. Make sure the piston number 1 is on top dead center, or you can use the timing cover. You put it back, then you align the cam pulley with the OT. You align the cam pulley with the OT 09. Yeah, OT is this one. OT aligns with this mark on the cover. Then you remove it, remove the cover and the pulley, then you put your mark here. Then you set your chain, making sure that it is on the right position. That's this is the stage we are now. We are putting the glow plugs on the engine.
Haki yarasika yadzokera.
Iri fupi futi zvonge. Inenge isiri new design yavakaita.
That one. That one can wait. It's too short. It's too short now. Let's tighten. Right, to make sure every component, every bolt must be tight to avoid any return job, to avoid leakages, to avoid noises. What else? Like I said, there is no room for mistake. Mistake is not accepted when building an engine. After we are done, we put back the car, the engine on the car.
Before we put the intake, the air filters, we must make sure that the engine is running. So the engine is back to the car. Let's see if it can start. Listen out sound. Right. I'm sure it's due to airlock, but it should start 1 kg. Let's switch it off and start it again.
After done with everything, we must take the car to the car wash.
Swamira kumbiri
Then we
maindotora
take it
iwe.
to the rod for rod test. Make sure it's performing very well.
So I'm taking it to the car wash. Car wash.
Alright. Now we are on the road.
The vehicle is responding very well. It's going very good with full power, without any delay, without any smoke. So this is a job well done. This is a job well done.